It's Jerry here from Jerry's Tech Corner, where I make tech easy for you to understand. And today I'm going to show you how do you get secret beta apps from Google that have not been uploaded to the Google Play Store, but I'm going to teach you how to sign up for the Google beta app testing program. So I'll send the link to this website in the description below. It's in the Chrome tab. So this is my Google Play app services. So I've already joined the testing program for the beta version of Google Apps. So I will receive an update to the Google Play service they have installed on your device, and I can join this program in this website, which I will share you guys in the link down in the description. And so when you have joined this testing program, now you can go to your Google Play Store. So to check all your beta apps, I've already got some installed here. You just go to my apps and games, and you see there's a tab here called beta. And in the beta apps, I've already got some apps already installed, like Google AdMob and Google Play Services. And so as you can see here, you've got early access to this app. So provide your feedback so developer can improve this app. So this is a beta app. In beta app, you always have this notification called you have an early access to this app. So other apps that have early access include you see apps with example, like you see this app here, Read Along by Google. It has an early access. This is also a beta app by Google. They recently had this app. It's for kids, Read Along by Google, a fun reading app. And this is an early access app. So if you guys didn't know, Google has also released a new Google Pay app. This is only available for the United States, Singapore, and India, I think. And so, but now currently I'm not in America or any of this country that I mentioned, so I'm going to use Melon VPN again. If you haven't watched that video, you can click the I at the bottom there, I mean at the top there, or you can watch the video. I put the link in the description. So you can download Melon VPN. It's free for Android, and so you have to connect it to the United States. So as you can see now, I'm connected to the VPN now. And when I go back to the Play Store, when I go to my apps and games, I've actually installed the new Google Pay app. So this new Google Pay app is they just released it, and it's mostly like Apple Pay as well, Apple Wallet, which is for iOS. But now see, as you can see, you have got early access to this app. So this is the new Google Pay app, which you can use it if you're from America or India or Singapore. As you can see, you can pay friends and businesses, and you can send money to your friends, earn rewards, stay on top of your spending, and manage money and more as well. And if you can see here, you've got early access. So not only Google that you have an early access, other apps, as you can see, early access, early access, early access. As you can see, now I can download Google Pay. I've got Google AdMob here. AdMob here, which is my early access of Google AdMob. And you've got Google Pay here. But I need to sign up for Google Pay using my mobile phone number. Welcome to Google Pay. And that's it for this video. It's a very short video. I hope you really enjoyed this video. You want to get new apps from the Google Play Store, you can sign up now. Down there, remember, click the link in the description and join the beta testing program with the Google account that you want to use to download those apps. So I will see you guys in the next video, and have a nice day and a nice week. Bye.